And see, all eyes on China today and all eyes on the BJP. A failure of brand Modi, says INDI.
Yes. No, I don't think, Padmaja, you've been covering politics for way too long. 10 years of the Honorable Prime Minister's track with record, which has been blemish-free, the Labhartis that have benefited, the fact that there's been no corruption or no scam. And I think we set the benchmark too high. Even now, we are the single largest party, and the NDA is, or the BJP on its own, is larger than the India alliance. So what are we talking about? This is a great inning.
Sure, you may have set the bar high with 400, but let's be realistic. The electoral bar is 272. You have not crossed that bar.
But Padmaja, alliance is well above it. And I don't think there's even a thought in mind. This is Modi ji 3.0, and I said he has a vision for a Viksit Bharat. He has worked tirelessly in these 10 years and will continue to do from 2024 onwards. 100-day blueprint. Aren't you proud that India as an economy from the 11th to the 5th is heading towards the third largest economy? Aren't you proud that we have...
But people are now wondering whether your government will survive 100 days.
Colleges and
you know, Rahul Gandhi was just asked, we will play that bit again. He was asked, are you in touch with Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu? He said, tomorrow we have a meeting of INDIA. Everything will be on the table. I can't talk about it right now without speaking to my allies. So they are hot-footing it to all of your allies.
Let me ask you one thing. Do you think this Indie alliance has anything other than the lust for power as its fundamental? On the other hand, the NDA has a vision plan. Under Prime Minister Modi, there is a common minimum program, whether it's the abrogation of 370 or a uniform civil code or a one nation, one poll, or even the fact that, you know, the referendums which have worked to the interest of all have been serious decisions which have been well thought of by the BJP and their allies.
Sanjay Shah, come in.
Unlike
At the end of the day, the Congress hasn't touched triple figures. They haven't touched triple digits, and the BJP is still the single largest party. What is the gloating about? Actually, Mr. Modi, as things stand right now, is the first Prime Minister, or rather the second Prime Minister, to have come back into a third consecutive term.
I think one will have to...
Technically, he has made history.
Yeah, I mean, one will have to concede that point, of course. I mean, the BJP is the single largest party. Nobody can deny that. But I think the larger narrative of this entire post-verdict is about, one, the arrogance of the BJP. Very reminiscent, Padmaja, of, you know, what we were talking over the last couple of months, the India shining syndrome.
4 जून 2024 ये तारीख भारत का भविष्य तय करने जा रही है।
4 जून नरेंद्र मोदी हिंदुस्तान के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं रहेंगे।